chicken, you know. Yeah, guys, after work, food truck there. Yes, the people need the oxtail, the people need the shrimp, the people need the jerk chicken, mac and cheese. Yes, man. What time it is? See the time? Yeah, man. We're up from 6:30. So, here we are doing it, you know. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing, all who subscribe, you know. And really appreciate what I'm seeing right now in terms of reaction. So, give thanks, man, every time, you know. Yep. I like the energy, you know. I haven't seen any bad energy so far from my channel. I haven't, you know. I know you're probably gonna come, but so far, nothing. Yeah, man. Give thanks, man. Oh, go on. Try. Give me your love. Give me your kisses. This is how I like my thing, guys. Cooking oil on a napkin. Give me your So I'm gonna do this now and just leave it. Go do other stuff. And like 15 minutes, chicken ready to go on. Yeah. So, say it's gonna rain today, but I'm still. I said around 3 o'clock it's gonna rain, so, or 2 o'clock, so I'm still giving it a go. Yeah. So there you go. Check up on that in 15 minutes. Rice and peas time. Yeah. That's some butter, you know? Yeah, I kind of season my rice pot a little bit, and you don't know. That's the right word for it. You know, allspice. Yeah, allspice, but you don't know. Pimenta, we call it down here. Yeah, pimenta seed, you know. Put a couple of them. Normally we don't crush them much. Normally we don't crush some of them, and then some of them will leave whole. But I know we are shut up a little thing today, so up and running. So everything in this already, I make it go and boil up. Boil up both of them. 2 rice me I do today. 1, 2, and 1 over there. So you have the oxtail. See it? Cool. Jerk chicken time right now. First flip on them, you know. Road boy, yeah. Today I just had a 25 piece of chicken today. Because rain, you see it? Rain supposed to start about probably 2 o'clock. And from 12 to 2 is my busy hours. I don't know when it's going to come. Sometimes the rain come, kind of watching the update on the phone, but sometimes the rain come early, sometimes it's late, sometimes it not come at all. But it says it's going to rain today, so that's the deal. Now I do too much jerk chicken, because we don't reuse jerk chicken, you know. Yeah. Jerk chicken look dry overnight and thing. You have to keep up the standard, you see it? Yeah. You don't know me, I have a local food truck here. I try to do everything in my powers to give the people them fresh food. You know, things are expensive, but we have to do it. So I eat that, you know. First flip that, you know. Yeah, man. Keep you up to date, you know. One love. Yes, guys, we're there. Pot of bubbly, you know. Curry chicken. This is my milk and thing for the macaroni and cheese. Curry chicken, or when I say you have the brown stew. We are get on. Yeah, man, I'm still almost done. This side, see that curry chicken, only by seasoning like thing, you know. That one we have to eat, man. People are gonna love it today, you know. For the location. So flat, right? Give thanks, people, give thanks, you know? Trash that. Give thanks for life, you know? Appreciate you all, you know? Yes, I am. Hopefully have a good day today, you know? Yeah. Plant yeah, big in like a blood. Yeah, nah. 95 degrees today, you know? Yeah. So we have to do it the same way. Day in the winter, we have to day in the summer. See? Yes, I am. Right now we are set up our get up. Set up our get up. There are. Moving up blood today is about 15 minutes. Mac and cheese? Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Go right there. It's a half shrimp, right? Okay. Shrimp and brown stew. Alright. Over here, so now we have the brown stew. first sale for the day. Shrimp and brown stew chicken. Get some light on it then. Alright, cool. Alright, oxtail time now. Let's look at this mac and cheese. Good. Good. So let's chat it some oxtail. Look at these oxtails. I always tell people, you know, can't beat my oxtails. You know. They're up on the food truck, people. Look, food over here. Food must not only taste good, but it must look good too. Catch every detail, right? Catch everything. Yeah, man. Let me put some plating on it. Hold on. Don't, not yet. Not yet. Right there. So. Yeah, man. Going once, going twice. Yeah, man. Check out the cocoa red. Yeah, man. See? People be eating good, man. Trust me. So we're out here by the car wash, you know? Little thing. Gas station. Customer waiting. Customer. Yeah. Main road, main street. Yeah. 90 degrees today now, so. But we have to do it, you know? Yeah, man. Not like fire, you know, fresh from out of the oven, see? Spicy beef. Yes, I have curry chicken there. Can't beat this one, trust me. I do a thing out there, you know? Right now I got curry chicken, no rice. Customer says she want no rice. No rice. Only cabbage. Catch my curry chicken. No rice. Alright, this done. Side of jerk chicken. This is the killer sauce. Alright, one more sauce. One more sauce. So check it out. This sauce is the secret sauce. Yeah. Check out that. Yeah, everybody loves this sauce. Jerk chicken aside, no rice, no nothing. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? We out here, you know? Yeah, good old fried chicken, you know? Guys, remember to like and share. Good. good fried chicken today. That's fine. Ready and waiting. So, what's this one ready? Close the one there? Okay. Okay. Promoted on the Facebook and the Instagram. So we are clean right now. Yeah. So you see when you clean in your spare time, that department pop up, you know, you're good. Yeah.